Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to set notification sound in Tecno phone. Friends, we want to set your phone notification sound means your notification ringtone. So friend, how to set today friends we will talk about in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friend, first of all we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this tab setting in your Tecno mobile. So how to set notification sound, guys click on your sound and vibration and then scroll it. As you can see we don't have any notification sound, so first of all we will set. Friends, you want to set and change ringtone, you can change your phone ringtone from here. You want to change, select a ringtone and OK option to change. Guys click on notification ringtone sound, and so which sound guys you like guys you can select. And friends, you don't want to select this sound, you want to select from your gallery, guys click on add ringtone. And friends, I don't have any sound here, but guys you have in your file notification sound and ringtone, so you can select and you can set. So guys, now example guys, I will select into this gift ringtone and OK option. Friends, you can see notification sound will set. Friends, I can increase and decrease this volume from here. So like that guy, we can set notification sound in Tecno phone. And guys, you want to change, so guys now let's see how to change it. So guys click on search bar and get direct guys. Now we will search here guys, and friends we can change get direct notification sound from here. Friends, you can see notification sound setting, click here, and friends direct guys you can change your notification ringtone and you can set. So I will change to this golf and OK option. And friends, increase decrease left side, increase right side. So like that guy we can set, and guys we can change notification sound in Tecno phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set and change notification sound in Tecno phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.